When the morning finally came, it revealed what the night tried to hide. Entire streets were unrecognizable. Homes stood roofless, windows shattered, walls ripped open like pages from a book. Trees that once lined the roads like guards now lay snapped and scattered. Ermont looked like it had been through a war. News spread across France like a shockwave. The images were impossible to ignore. Cranes collapsing like matchsticks, homes torn to shreds, people staring into what was once their life. For a nation unaccustomed to tornado tragedies,
La voiture d'Aurélie! Oh bah... C'est à qui la voiture là?
the shock was absolute. Officials confirmed the numbers.